Namaste, my name is Aishwarya. I am a Hatha yoga instructor here in Barcelona. My Hatha yoga classes are inspired in the Iyengar Method. In my classes, we use different props to help the students, to help ourselves to practice with a better alignment, better awareness. We use belts for restorative postures or different variations. We can also use a bolster, a blanket, of course, and for certain postures we use chairs. So, welcome to my lessons anytime. Please send me an email if you want to book a private lessons or online lessons.